RTÉ Raidió na Gaeltachta is celebrating 40 years on the air today, and to mark the occasion, many of the station's original broadcasters were back in the studio for a special programme.
3 p.m. Easter Sunday 1972, and RTÉ Raidió na Gaeltachta is born. Initially, the station broadcast for just over 2 hours a day to Gaeltacht areas. There were 7 broadcasters starting out. 5 of them were back today for a special programme. Brendan Ferreter, Mike P. O'Chanila, Matty Joe Hamish, Tim Lino Kearney and Sean O'Tourishk.
This was the first daily medium ever in the Irish language. Imagine, this language which was spoken for thousands of years, and this was the first ever daily medium within it. It was very, very important.
The station's headquarters are here in Cashla in Connemara, with smaller stations in Kerry and Donegal. Lá Storú le shot the Raidió na Gaeltachta, Cara Gablin or Waneve on Stáisiún. The 5 RnaG broadcasters took part in a 2-hour live programme with Sean Bon Brannock.
There's absolutely no comparison at all to Raidió na Gaeltachta 1972 and 2012. I mean, we were a local station, really going out to the Gaeltachta. Now it's a national station, it's an international station.
It's amazing the traffic on the Raidió na Gaeltachta website, that much of it comes from our diaspora and from people abroad, particularly in Britain and in the States.
Fair chulaguna ví san Gaeltachtan seo Connemara agus I Géirí agus huasa dír chonel agus ará carin agus ins na Gaeltachtaí begus sa Rhain agus hí sa Gorco an dígantú for siad go gon chéad uair.
Teresa Mannion, RTÉ News, Cosla in Connemara.